Welcome. If you're looking to mute message notifications for a specific chat in Messenger for 8 hours, you're in the right place. Whether you're trying to focus, avoid distractions, or just need a break from constant pings, these simple steps will help you silence notifications without leaving the conversation or alerting the other person. First, open your Messenger app and head straight to the chat you want to mute. This could be a one-on-one conversation or a group chat. Either way, the process is the same. Once you're inside the chat, look to the very top of the screen and tap on the person's name or the group name. This will open up the chat settings, where you'll find a variety of options to customize your experience. Next, scroll down until you see Notifications and Sounds. Tap on this option to bring up the notification controls for this specific chat. Here, you'll see a switch labeled Messages. Toggle this switch off to mute message notifications. After you turn off the Messages switch, a menu will pop up asking how long you want to mute notifications for. You'll see several options, but for this guide, choose for 8 hours. This will ensure you won't receive any message notifications from this chat for the next 8 hours, giving you uninterrupted time to focus on what matters most to you. Once you've selected the 8-hour option, you're all set. The chat will remain muted for the duration you chose, and you can always come back to these settings to unmute or adjust the mute time whenever you need. Muting a chat is a discreet way to manage your notifications. No one in the conversation will be notified that you've muted them, and you'll still receive all messages silently in your inbox. When you're ready to start receiving notifications again, just revisit the same settings and turn notifications back on. That's it. Now you know how to mute message notifications for a chat in Messenger for 8 hours. Enjoy your quiet time, and don't forget to check back for more helpful tips.